So these are currently the newest OP codes for Dandy's World on Roblox. So how do we redeem codes? Well, as you can see from the left side, there is this button called Use Code. Simply tap on that and it's going to appear this tab right here. The first code that we're going to be tackling is ICOR in all caps. So that's ICHOR. Tap on Use and it's going to give us 50 free ICOR straight off the bat. Now there are a lot of other codes, so I'm going to be showing you through the notepad so that you can probably just pause and then type in, and then you can use for your own benefits. So we already checked out the iCore and we got 50. Next is the festive gift. Use this for 150 event currency and use 1 billion for 100 event currency. Now, what is the event currency? Well, that's usually the currency that you use to buy something from an event. Next is 300k. Use this for 150 iCore, which is already a lot, so I do recommend using this code. Next is Skin Ticket, which will also give you 150 iCore. 200 million gives you 150 iCore as well, and as well as 100 million. So, once again, these are pretty much all the same. You get iCore for each of them. The next one is 50 million for 150 iCore, 10 million also for 150, and the last one, which is 1000, gives you 50 iCore. So in total, all of this gives you about 1000 iCore, which is not bad. You can already get a new character from just that. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Just make sure you use all of these codes before they possibly expire so that you can get all of this iCore and event currency. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.